Up to about 1.5 inches out in the Worcester area, over an inch in Fitchburg and Orange, close to it in Boston, about 1/2 inch on the Cape. But it's just been pouring through a good portion of the day, and it's been that kind of April, right? This is just our latest heavy rain event. There have only been 3 days this month where we haven't had any rain at all, so it has been a wet one, as you know, and it's the pattern we've been stuck in lately. The heaviest rain is now by us. What we're looking at now is just a little bit of steady rain here on the outermost Cape in Nantucket. This is where the kind of the back edge of the steadier rain is. Once this shifts offshore, it's going to be drier overall this afternoon, but we might catch just a kind of redeveloping spot shower. Look at the winds. They are still howling from the south here, gusting over 40 miles per hour. Boston out to the Cape, gusting close to 50. We did have those wind gusts over 50 miles per hour this morning, but the core of the wind is shifting offshore, and the winds are going to stay elevated this afternoon, but you can see those gusts are kind of stepping down gradually as we go into the evening. And that southerly wind has brought in a lot of warmth, but you can see it kind of pushing offshore with the heavier rain. A little bit of a dry slot working on in, and then there are additional showers coming up through New York State and Pennsylvania, and some of those are going to try to edge in as we get into the afternoon as this area of low pressure lifts on northward and the front kicks everything offshore. So we're not totally done with the rain just yet, but look at the warmth that has come in on these southerly winds. We are sitting at 61 degrees in Boston right now. On the other side of that low pressure area, you can see it's only in the 40s back through the Great Lakes, and that's kind of the cooler air mass that's going to settle in for your Saturday. But pretty mild out there now. We're 62 in Lawrence, as mild as 63 in Norwood. Temperatures won't change much over the next couple of hours, but what we will see are those clouds maybe giving to a couple of breaks of sunshine just before sunset as we head towards about 6 o'clock this evening. So here you go over the next couple of hours. You can see that those steadier rains are pushing off the outer Cape, and there's a dry period, but 1 or 2 isolated showers may lift up through Worcester County closer to about 3-4 o'clock this afternoon, and then the trend will be for drier weather this evening. So if you are headed to Fenway Park, it looks dry for that game. You've got plans maybe to head out to dinner on this Friday evening. Should be dry with mostly cloudy but dry conditions into the overnight hours as well. It is going to stay breezy tonight. Temperatures will stay in the 40s. Tomorrow is a mostly cloudy day for your Saturday. It is still going to be breezy. We may have some gusts over 20 and 30 miles per hour. Nothing more though than a spot shower with temperatures cooler in the upper 40s to low to mid 50s. You can see by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, cloudy skies. We're talking about just a few spot showers here and there, and that's going to be the case on into the afternoon. So this little disturbance coming on through could give us a spot shower on Saturday. Sunday starts out brighter with some sunshine, and then we're going to watch this system race through as we get toward late day and evening, but it is long gone by Monday morning. That means for the marathon on Monday, clearing skies in Hopkinton at 6 a.m. Wheelchair races begin at 9 a.m. We should have partly sunny skies with temperatures in the 50s, and then the temperatures will climb into the 60s by noontime. We'll see if the winds will be strong enough to prevent a sea breeze from forming, but I do think we're looking at a lot of sunshine on Monday. Here's a closer look at the timing of those showers on Sunday.